Hi all, welcome to my new channel or Revisit Infopedia. My name is Asif Nawaz. I did my MCA in computer application. I'm a UPSC BPSC aspirant. Right now I'm working as a software engineer in one of the MNC. I'm technical specialist out there. This is myself. Okay. So this is my new channel. As part of this channel, we will be discussing about different kind of things related to history, religious history, geography, history from different perspective. Okay, you will be seeing different culture, different cities. Okay, and different world. Okay, from my eyes. So let's get to started. As part of this video, I will be discussing on mainly different population based on religion. Okay, what is the world population based on different religion. So let's get started. First, the world population as per today is 8.09 billion. World population as for 2020, it is 7.8 billion, and world population was as per 2010 is 6.9. So why I have given these three datas? Because today world population is 8.09 billion, but we don't have different religious datas as per today. So we have some projection for 2020 and some survey for 2010. Based on that, we are driving the different religious data. So, as we are discussing about the religion, okay, so we'll see which one is the biggest religion in the world, okay, and how the world population is uh, dividing based on the religion. So, 31% of the population is the biggest chunk is Christian, okay. Obviously, in the Christian, we have a Catholic, Protestant, and Orthodox, okay, and approx 25% of the population is Muslim, okay. So big population is Sunni Muslim. Approx 10 to 13% of the Shia Muslim is also present, and one big chunk you can see approx 16%, 15.458% population is unaffiliated. That we call the atheist. Okay, they're not following any religion, and 15.2% is Hindu. Okay, and 16.6% is Buddhist, and folk religion that is called Chinese religion is 5.6, and we have other religion is 0.8, and you can see the Jews is only 0.20. So it's a very less population for the Jews. Okay, even though that is in the news from long time uh, due to Israel Hamas war. Okay, but their population is very less. So, okay. So we are plotting this religion, okay, and their sect on the world map, okay, and seeing where we have which religion, okay, more. So, as we know, in the Christian, we have the three categories: it's Catholic, Orthodox, and Protestant. In Islam, we say the Sunni Islam, Shiite Islam, another group, okay, and we have Hindu, Jainism, and other Chinese religion. In Buddhism also we have a different sect, okay, that we call mainly the Mahayana, Hinian, all these things. Okay, so we will be discussing the religion based on different continent. Okay, so we'll start from the South America. Okay, so as we see in mainly in this part of the world in South America, the biggest population is Catholic Christian. Okay, and the North America and in north part of Europe we have the Protestant Christian. Okay, some of the Protestant Christian we can see in the Southern Africa also. Okay, and Orthodox is mainly in uh, Russia. Okay, and some part of the Europe, and surely a Protestant in in Australia and New Zealand also. So for Islam, as we know, there is two sect, Sunni Islam and Shia Islam. Okay, so approx 90% of population is Sunni Islam. Only 10 to 13% population is Shia Islam. Okay, so as we know, the Islam got started from this part of world. It is Arab world. Okay, Saudi Arabia. Okay, then it extended all over the places out here in the in some of the Asia part, okay, and then it got extended in Egypt, Libya, Morocco, okay, north part of north part of Africa, okay, and we have some Sunni Islam is out here in Indonesia and Malaysia, and some of them is in like yeah, Bangladesh is a big Muslim population. Surely we have Pakistan, Afghanistan, all this, okay. So same for Hinduism, okay. Hinduism is mainly in India and Nepal, okay. And as we know, the Chinese religion will be in China, and Buddhism is also in China, and some part of the Sri Lanka and uh, Myanmar. Okay, you can see that. So as we discuss religion based on different percentage, okay. So as we know, approx 8 billion people is living in this planet Earth. Okay. So we have taken the very few religion that is big in number. Okay. So as we say, the Christian itself is 2.3 billion. Out of 8 billion, Christian is 2.3 billion. Okay, that is 30%, 31% of all over the population. Islam is 1.9 billion. Okay, atheist, okay, is also a big number, 1.1 billion. That is 16% of the population approx. Hinduism also we have 1.16 billion, 15% of the population. Buddhism 6.6 billion, that is 506 million. Okay, as we can see, the Jews is very less, 14.7 billion, like 1 crore 40 lakh population is there. So we know the different religion and their population in the percentage, how much population they do have. Okay, now in this slide we are just dividing that population based on different sect. Okay, this data is as for 2010 because the later data is not present yet. Okay, so the total Christian population is 31% of world population. Out of 31%, 50% is Catholic. Okay, and 37% is Protestant, 12% is Orthodox. Okay, and for the Islam, as we know, approx 90% is Sunni Islam, and 10 to 13% is Shia Islam. Okay, and other atheist and no religious affiliation. Okay, we have 16%. Out of 16%, 115, okay, is living in America. Like 120 people of atheists is living in America. Hinduism, we have 15% of population. Out of that, 94% is living in India. And Buddhism, half of them is living in China. Okay. Uh, Similarly, for folk religion, is Chinese religion. So the population is in China alone. Okay, and other religious group we have 1%. In that we can see the Jainism, we have Sikhism, we have Zoroastrianism, we have. Okay, and for the Jews, uh, four four fifth of the population, like out of 100, 80% of them is living in United States and Israel. Okay, not in just Israel. You can see the 41% is living in Israel and 41% is living in United States also. Like 82% of the population is living in this country only. The rest of them will be surely in some of the part in Europe, India. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, in the next coming video, we'll be discussing more on the world population and uh, population based on different continent. Okay, so that's it for today. Please subscribe my channel and give the fruitful comment. Okay, and please like it. Thank you so much.